Several Milwaukee County municipalities are taking advantage of a new state law to significantly increase the cost that comes with reckless driving.
Well, in tonight's Project Drive Safer report, our Ben Jordan found those fines can vary from more than $400 from one city to the next.
As an Uber driver, Chris Johnson sees reckless driving more than most.
Almost constantly.
And he's fed up with it.
As a whole, it's not just Milwaukee that's got a problem with this. It spills over into all the other communities.
A new law allows municipalities to show they're frustrated by letting them raise reckless driving fines. 6 cities have already done so, from St. Francis and Franklin to Cudahy and Whitefish Bay. A first offense reckless driving ticket in half a dozen Milwaukee County municipalities now costs nearly $800. Half of that is for surcharges like court and driver improvement fees that are added to the total.
I think we can look at raising it up.
Mark Ferguson is Glendale's police chief. It's one of 9 municipalities where reckless driving fines are the lowest in the county at $313.
Say if you cross the Whitefish Bay municipal line into Glendale, that's a $500 difference. Does that make sense to have such a difference when it comes to reckless driving fines?
No, it really doesn't. It should be uniform all the way across, I would think.
Chief Ferguson thinks the consequence should be consistent no matter where a reckless driver is caught.
Should it be uniform on the high end or on the low end?
I would think it makes sense to make it uniform on the high end.
Glendale's mayor tells me their citation fees are reevaluated each fall, and he expects the reckless driving fine to increase at that time. While Chief Ferguson says traffic tickets are intended to correct the behavior, he knows that only works for those who accept the punishment and pay their ticket.
Some of the people that I think are driving recklessly, I don't think they really care about citations or fines, so I'm not sure how much of that would help.
If you ask Chris,
You get one at $700, $800, you're less likely to do it again.
he thinks it isn't just the cost of the fines that need to increase, but also the amount of tickets being issued. Reporting in Milwaukee County, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
The Milwaukee County Department of Transportation is focused on safe streets in all neighborhoods for all roadway users. But to do that, they need your feedback. And they will be holding community engagement meetings throughout the summer in all 19 municipalities. And those meetings kick off this week. The first of the meetings of the 19 is tomorrow at the Brown Deer Dolan Community Center. That's from 2 to 3. There's also one at Greenfield, Greenfield Public Library. That's from 6 to 7. And for a look at all of the meetings, the dates, and the venues, you can head to projectdrivesafer.com.